Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about ratio test. So now I want to show you how to answer. Because they want to use about ratio test, we need to put about an equals to this one. Then we need to find about an plus 1. So in this situation, we need to add number 1 cone here, here, here. So for plus 1 we have number 5. This one we have number 1. So because this one we have 6 multiplied by n plus 1. So number 6 multiplied by n and number 1 we can put like this. Now we can use about the ratio test. So we have the limit and approach to positive infinity. And now we have the absolute value of this ratio in here. So I will put an plus 1 cone here and an cone here. So this one that is about this one, and this one that is gone here. So we need to simplify. So negative number 1 to the power of n. This one we simplify, we just have only negative number 1. So n plus 5 factorial divided by n plus 1 factorial, that should be like this. So we simplify n plus 1 factorial in here and here. Now we do similar for the second one. And this one we can put like this. So 3 to the power of 6 and we simplify. Now we simplify n plus number 2, n plus number 3, n plus number 4. Now we simplify n plus 1, n plus 1. And now we can put like this, n square cone here. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we divide by n square on numerator and denominator. When n approach to positive infinity, this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0. And now we simplify and we have 1 over 3 to the power of 6. And we know that this one is smaller than number 1. So we can say this one that is about convergence. This is the end. Thank you for watching.